ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka college puli nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Komisi benta bandang penseluruh susu bat aimen siem. Wala da ki duna ki khotmet u amali ka saut shlong u ba Sanbor Sulai menta ka singiu la pun ko buram ban ai Ïarap da ka pisah chaki Hynriew Ngut ki khna ki beduna ha ki khotmet bat ki bala pas bah bat ki bala pau baru ha ki kamele akai kini ki Hynriew Ngut ki bala yo Ïarap no ba Sanbor ki kentup ya ka samla prisika pengrup ka badan ki jungduna ha ki khotmet bat ki bala pau bah kam yo khon kti baru ba Sanbor la ai Ïarap da ka pisah silak tengka kum ka bailenti baka ne ishe menta sha Moldova banyak khon kti ha ki Europe Kiwei pat kisamla ki balpas bah ha examen SSLC ka syapun ko buram bad yo priang da song pisa ka at phoja tangka ki kentup ya ka aisilda thaba na ka snong mau phansin nong Stone West Khasi Hills District ka ankita das na lumparing unovinius roiki dhar na madan kinsau West Giant Hills District ka samla serpailin walang na nong ritong West Khasi Hills District bad uskamlang lingdo nong lain na latar Ribhoy District Kini ki balayo ay Ïarap pisa no ba Sanbor. Baro kim day satya ki ba siyang basa South Shillong Constituency. Banda kaliang jong ulay tu bu Ïarap iki dia nakatulop basib nai ka balong arlak lay hajatan ka.
Are here to felicitate our six specially selected students belongs to the Ferrando Speech and Hearing Center, the Bethany Society, the Joytis Road, and also the Lumparing Mediapit Secondary School. Thank you, Bajun Karbuli. God bless you for your future career, and through you, all your students, I have seen the biodata, and during my interaction with you, with the principal of various institutions, and I have gone through the record of the biodata that all your students, they have managed to bring laurel and distinction to themselves in the para games, and they have brought the laurel and distinction not only to themselves but also to their parents, to the family, to the clan, to the institution, to your association, and also to the people of Meghalaya. They have been, they have secured gold medal, silver medal, and bronze medal in the national games in various parts of India, in our country, India. Thank you, Kawan Salam Sulai, who is the member of the organization, and all the respected principal, headmaster, and headmasters of various school and institution who have available time to bless our physically handicapped students today, and the heads of the traditional institution, heads of the village council, the various NGOs, heads of the various NGOs, that you have available time to bless our students. The message will go that though they are blessed by the Almighty God in the form of disability, but still they manage to, they manage to pass out in very well. They're sincere. They are very sincere, hard work, dedicated in studies and also in sports. But the message will go. We have experienced, we have seen only in my constituency and in the part of our states that there are students who are normal, who hail from the rich family, going to school by own transportation, coming from school by their own transportation, having extra tuition, paying 4-5 maths teacher or science teacher, or extra expenditure they are paying to do the extra tuition. But still, they could not success in their studies because they are not sincere. And this is the message that why, if our young students, they can do it, they can, they are trying their best, they are sincere, they work hard, and they are very successful into education, sports, and other activities. Why not us? This is the message. So today we felicitate them, and very clear, I'm going to inform to each and every one of you that today the financial assistance, because one of the students, Miss Priska Pumro of Bethany Society, just recently, she have, all of them, they have secured gold medal, bronze medal, silver medal in the national game, in the state games, national games. I'm very happy to inform you that Ms. Priska Pumro has been selected to represent our Meghalaya state at Slonova, Europe country, which the program which will be, the competition will be held in the month of August. She'll be leaving, I think, by 14th of August, representing us. And since we don't have any source, so from my 1 month MLA salary earning, because as you are all aware that all 60 MLA of Meghalaya, we are getting 2,03,000 per month. 2,03,000 per month, and 1 month salary I have sponsored 1 lakh for Priska Pumro for her transportation and other expenses to travel till Europe to participate in the arm wrestling, para-arm wrestling on behalf of each and every one of us. And also 20,000 each for the remaining 5 students who will be participating in the national game very soon, and who have all duly received the medals in various arm wrestling competition in every part of India.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Can you come?
Okay.
Please give it up for Mr. Skemla. I think we should all stand up and give him a huge round of applause. To present the award, I would request our President of the Rai Laban Social and Cultural Organization and the member of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Sanbor to kindly felicitate Mr. Skemla. Please give him a huge round of applause. He really deserves one. Awarded a check of rupees 20,000. Please give him a huge round of applause once again. Her BA with First Division. Priska's dedication has not gone unnoticed. It is with great pleasure that I would like to announce that she has been selected to represent India as an athlete in the upcoming World Arm Wrestling Championship 2024, which is to be held in Moldova, Europe. Hosted by the Moldovan National Sport Federation of Arm Wrestling, to be held from the 15th to the 25th August based on her outstanding performance. In recognition of her exceptional achievements, our Honorable Member of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Shri Sanbor has extended final support to Priska. Let us all warmly welcome Priska Pingrove to the stage to felicitate her for her incredible accomplishments. Please join me in giving her a huge round of applause. She is now receiving a check of rupees 1 lakh from our Honorable MLA. Ms. Priska, we are very proud of you and we wish you the very best in your future endeavors. Please give her a huge round of applause. Determination and perseverance are truly inspiring, and she serves as a shining example of what can be accomplished through sheer effort and resilience. Let us all give Miss Ankita Das a big round of applause as we invite her on stage to honor her remarkable achievement. Give it up for Miss Ankita Das. She is receiving a check of 20,000 rupees. Please give her a huge round of applause. Her outstanding performance in these championships highlights her incredible dedication, strength, and perseverance amidst challenges. Iselda, we are very proud of you. Please give her a huge round of applause. She's now receiving a check of rupees 20,000 rupees. As she has attained a distinction with an impressive score of 84 marks. Her academic excellence and perseverance are truly commendable. You are truly an inspiration, Ms. Sirpailan. Please give her a huge round of applause. She's now receiving a check of rupees 20,000 rupees. Her parents are on stage. Please give them a huge round of applause as well. The Maharashtra Arm Wrestling and Samta Sporting Club, Nagpur. He has demonstrated exceptional skill and determination overcoming challenges as a differently abled athlete. We are very proud of your achievement. Please give Mr. Novenius a huge round of applause.